everyone! So for today's video, eto, in-order ko sa Amazon. Ano siya? Bar Stools. So eto, nabuksan ko na. So I was on process of, unboxing them, putting it together. So I get this piece. I think this is the bottom. Yeah. So I get this is a set of 4. So I have this one right here. Yeah, right there. What is this here? What's yung top niya? There it is. Right there. Tatlo, ay apat. Kala ko tatlo lang. So heavy. So I'm gonna line with a 4 stools. And I have this thing. I have 4 of those. See, meron siyang ano dito. Lock yata. And then, of course, I have the instructions on how to put them together. Base 1, L-shaped cushion. So you put that thing, and then I guess you put this one, and you put it like this, right there. What? Oh. How? No, I don't know. Maybe later. I guess this one goes first. Oh yeah, this one, it goes like this in there. First, number 1, the base. Number 2 is the sit. So we're gonna get this one. Yeah, I got this one. This is leather. Uy, tuloy from kaano same ano ng couch ko. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. Here it is, so cute. Aww. Ouch. Yeah, so you put this thing in here, I guess. I don't even have the screws yet. So you put it here like that. Yeah. And you screw it in here. So let's find the screw. Hang on. Oops. That way. simply snap the assemble set cushion onto the completed base. Notice number 3. Number one, be sure to remove the dust cap before installation. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna put this like this. Take this cap. You guys can see. We're saying that to remove this thing. This. And then you can put this thing. Oh, yeah, right there. So we get this one. Okay. We can put it all together already. Oh, you can tighten it like that. And then, wow. There, almost ready. And then, where's the first screw? Oh, there it is. Found it. So there's 4. And we're gonna flip it like this. And then we're gonna put it like this. Ready? This is wrong. I put it wrong. This should be at the front. Oh golly, it's wrong. Oh God. I'm not thinking. I was not thinking. Jesus. That's it. I guess that's it. You can turn. You can. It's tall. Good. Ang batapit na. Yeah. Pew, pew. Ang cute niya. That's it. Here we go. I got my 4th stool. Ang ganda niya. Dang. Tara, paano natin? Yeah, there you go. That's cute.